Hello everyone, I'm David, a specialist of SMC or GRP panel tank. I'd like to present some information about GRP panel tank. I hope this is a useful information for you and your business. Thank you. From today, we are going to have a project site and review installation of GRP panel tank. There are 4 videos for this installation. This is the first video, preparation and installing skid frame. So there are some steps we have to follow for this installation. First one is checking material, and if you receive the material with packing list, you have to cross-check whether this material is correct and the quantity is correct or not. So there are some panels and accessories like skid frame, flange bars, bolt and nuts. There are many accessories, different types of accessories and different types of bolt. So if you check the quantity, sometimes the supplier from the factory, they send different types of accessories or panels. So before installation, if you can, just cross-check. It will be very efficiency for installation, for time saving and correct installation. It will be very helpful. And second one is you have to check the foundation, concrete foundation, whether this is correct or not, or strong. The strength of the concrete or should be guaranteed. Otherwise, during or after installation, I think this, if there is some changes or some what is a breakdown any part, it will affect the quality of water tank. So I think whether the civil engineer followed correct some instruction for this concrete foundation or not. This is a skid frame. So you can see main frame, sub frame, and brackets also. You can see anchor bracket, and we use HDD board for 14 mm dia. This is a 125C channel for 3 meters height above, and this person is connecting subframe and main frame. You can see subframe, main frame, and anchor board, brackets. We have reviewed some information about the before installation and installing skid frame. Feel free to contact to my email if you have any inquiries. Thank you. See you next time.